start nutrition in human beings, that is nutrition in multicellular, and we know that man is omnivorous, means he eats both plants and animal. He is an example of holozoic mode of nutrition. So all the steps of digestion take place in it, that is also ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and excretion. All the steps take place one by one. First we shall discuss the now the human digestive system is composed of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, a small intestine, and large intestine, and they all are combinedly called alimentary canal. Means from mouth to last position anus is means from it starts from mouth and ends in anus. That is, by the mouth ingestion takes place, and through the anus the excretion takes place. So they are the different steps, and above these parts also 3 glands are which come in the digestive system, that is salivary gland, second liver, and third pancreas. So these are the parts of the, and next one, that these glands takes part in the digestion, and these are the parts through which digestion takes place, and they are all combinedly called digestive system. So we shall discuss one by one. Now the first step of digestion, that is ingestion, means to take food. The organ by which we take food is mouth. So the mouth, by the mouth we take food, and the food goes to mouth cavity or buccal cavity. Now it goes to this is the buccal cavity. Here the food goes. In the buccal cavity, it contains teeth, tongue, salivary glands. So these main three parts found in the buccal cavity which are related to digestion. First, teeth cut the food into a small pieces and chew. Second, salivary gland secretes saliva which is mixed to the food by tongue. Means the tongue help in the mixing of saliva with the food, because due to mixing of saliva the food become lubricant and it is easy to swallow. Next, saliva contain amylase enzyme. Saliva contain amylase enzyme which digest the carbohydrate into soluble glucose. So in the mouth the digestion of glucose carbohydrate is started. So in the second, the amylase helps in the digestion of carbohydrates into glucose. So the first phase of digestion starts in the mouth. Now the partial digested food enters the pharynx, which is a common passage for nutrition and respiration. This is the pharynx. This is the common passage of for respiration and nutrition. In the pharynx there is present epiglottis. In the pharynx there is present epiglottis. That is present, but epiglottis allows the food to go to esophagus. Not respiratory tract. Means due to presence of epiglottis, the food particles do not go towards the respiratory tract, which is just found from here. This is respiratory tract, and the food goes towards the esophagus. So this epiglottis helps in the separation of food particles and allow to move towards the esophagus. We have seen that after taking of food, means the ingestion, when the food enters the mouth, it is cut and chewed by the teeth. So that is physical, we can say that it is a physical digestion. So the digestion is actually starts when that the teeth starts to do his work. So the digestion starts from the buccal cavity, and that cutting and chewing of the food by teeth is called physical digestion. Now, when the food enters the esophagus, food enters the esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. Due to contraction and relaxation of esophagus, which is called peristalsis, the partially digested food move towards stomach, means that is due to contraction and relaxation, is like that. In this way, the contraction and relaxation takes place and the food enters to the food move towards the stomach. That process is called, this is the rhythmic process up and down. It is known as peristalsis. So by that movement the food comes to the stomach. Now digestion in the stomach. The stomach is J-shaped. Stomach is J-shaped. It is divided into three parts. It is divided into the upper stomach is J-shaped. It is located in the left side of the abdomen. It is divided into three parts. One fundus, cardiac and pyloric. Here you see that it is the part of stomach, and the topmost part is called fundus, the middle one is called cardiac, and the end part is known as pyloric. Now you see that in the stomach, this is the wall of the stomach. In the wall of the stomach is the inner wall of stomach. This is the inner wall of stomach. This wall contains gastric gland, which secretes gastric juice. It secretes what? Gastric juice. This gastric juice contains HCl, hydrochloric acid, its concentration is 0.04 to 0.05%. Next one, pepsin, an enzyme, and third one, mucus. These three are contains in that. So HCl is an acid. It kills the bacteria of the food and other microbes. Second, change the food acidic. And finally it activates the pepsinogen to secrete pepsin, because pepsin, it is enzymes which digests the protein which digests the protein into amino acids. Means protein changes into amino acids, because you also know that protein is the combination of amino acids. And third, the main function of mucus is that it protects the stomach wall from HCl. Means it protects the stomach wall from HCl. In this way, the gastric juice contain HCl, pepsin and mucus. Pepsin kills the bacteria, change the food acidic, and also activate the pepsinogen to secrete pepsin, which digests the protein into amino acids. And finally, mucus protects the wall of the stomach from the effect of the HCl. In this way, they digest the food in stomach.